So there's a helicopter like right on top of us right now. This is crazy. Is he looking at us?
Hey, last time it didn't work. Tell him.
Last time didn't work. We're gonna try it out this time, man. Oh shit! What it is, it's your boy Jordan, and I'm finally back at it again. I haven't vlogged in a good minute. I miss you guys. I'm back here with, you already know who it is, Mr. Lambu. And it ain't a where you at Jordan show unless we started from the top. You know us, we gotta start this from the top. We always gotta start the video, or this is my first video starting from the top, but we gotta start the video from the top. It's your boy Jordan! We back at it again! You know what I'm saying? Woo! We back at it again. I missed the spot, man. New rooftop, new spot, new views. Oh, dude. Check out the views behind me, guys. This is... Every time I go on a rooftop, I always say this is the best new spot. But y'all can be the judge of that.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it. You're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me.
It's lit out here. Where the hell Lambu at? We're on helipad number 10. Helipad number 10. We closer to the city hall more than ever. Look, guys, we got LA right there. We got Hollywood sign over there. We got the city hall.
Yo.
And we got...
That's a police station, bro. What you saying, man?
Should we just cut the video? Nah, whatever. We're gonna stay here. We'll stay here. Fuck it. We'll just stay here. We'll stay here. This one, I'm a little nervous up here just because the police station is right below us. Let me show you guys. I think they're doing like some type of, I don't know if you guys can see this, on that. They're having like some type of lunch. I don't know. There's the police station right across from us. So there's a helicopter like right on top of us right now. This is crazy. Is he looking at us? Yeah, there's a helicopter right there. Is he flying above us? That's so weird. Yeah, I don't think he has anything to do with this. The helicopter is looking for us. That one right there. He's gone though. We're going back up.
Back up, man.
We back at it again. Check out the views, guys.
Yo. This is how you really do it, man. This is how you really do it, man. You know what I'm saying?
Do it, man.
There we go.
He at the top.
That's how you really do it.
He's at the... Whoa.
Yo, you wanna see a real view? I'll show you a real view, man.
You're taking over my show, bro.
Check this out, man. Where you at, Jordan? Where you at, bro? Oh, yeah, look at that. I don't know, man. Jordan's gonna be bungee jumping off this, man. I dared him to.
I don't know if I can stand on this, man.
Bro, trust me. Hey, worst comes to worst.
This, what if it breaks?
What's going? If you fall?
No, get back, bro. Get back, man. Get back. It's stable, right? You think this is stable?
Oh, man.
What do you guys think? Oh my God.
Are you recording?
Yeah, we're live right now.
Man, you dare me on camera like that? Let's do it.
You wouldn't do it.
In one condition.
What?
You gotta do it too. Man, come on, man.
Somebody's gonna die today, man. Someone's gonna die today.
It ain't gonna be me. Let's go.
Hey, is it tested? Is it tested? Wait, give it a little test first.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either, man. On you, man. It's all you. Oh, this guy's a fucking ninja warrior. Hey, you're a ninja warrior, man. You're a ninja warrior.
You next, bro. Man, Jordan's only Go for it.
Hell no.
Ah, shit.
I'm done. That just scared me, bro. Right when I look down, I'm done.
Dude.
Can't do that. Man, you might have to start your own show, man. Where you at, La? This is cool.
Let's go.
This is cool, man. I don't know. I always get this like adrenaline rush. I don't know about you guys. I wish you guys could just. Y'all need to experience this yourself, man. I can be up here for a good minute, and yeah, we'll get back at you guys. Peace. We're here at location number 2.
Dos.
We are now at Ascot Hills.
Break it up.
This is a hike, man? Because I'm not ready to hike.
Oh, it is a hike. Why don't you lie to me?
Aw, dang. How long is the hike?
2 minutes.
So we're down here. We gotta get up there. Do we go that way? I guess we'll just go.
Is the hike this way? Oh, that way.
Oh, that way. Oh, we totally would have went in the wrong direction. Man, I did not know this was a straight up hike. Now we're hiking up.
Don't wear a jacket.
Lance got a jacket on.
Cold,
We are so confused. I think we're about 3 miles in. We're not 3 miles in. We parked right there.
I feel like we're behind there.
Where? I feel like it's right around the corner though.
I see civilization.
What the fuck is this? It's a fucking party out here. It's cold. Oh,
I got it, thank you guys. Oh my god, it's a nice one. Oh my god,
It's freaking lit out here, man. We're here. There was a bunch of people. We had to get all past that. Some type of meet called California. Cool people, they're all painting and stuff. Hiked up another, like, I don't know. It was like 5 more minutes down. But we're at this gate. And it's basically the gateway to Los Angeles. There it is. Shabam, shabam. So Los Angeles, the sun is setting. It doesn't get more Southern California than this, man.
These are the moments in time that we've been waiting our whole life to find, that we've been